wild and lonely eagle, up in the summer sky, lies high horse and golden, where my young Willie lies.
Minnie the Penitent was a lonely woman, and she used to allay that loneliness by going to confession morning and evening. Now the confessional box in the store in the old days had a crack in it. The door didn't fit properly, and it was better than a comedy to be outside listening inside. She would go down to the priest and she would make up sins, and she would say, oh, I met Seán in McCarthy today. And what did you say to him? I said, you're a fine, handsome lad. And the priest would say, oh, gee, that's an awful sin. Tell him it's And we used to gather in a line for confession, because confession, according to our families, was compulsory. We didn't have a great lot to confess. Steal an egg, a hen, a pig now and again if we were lucky. As a matter of fact, Father Vaughan, the priest who used to hear confessions, used to keep hens and ducks, and one day Paddy Allen stole a duck belonging to the priest, took it home, and his mother cooked it, 2 carrots, but I'm digressing now. He took it home and they cooked it, and bit of cabbage, few onions. And it was while they were having the Christmas dinner with the duck that he told his mother that he stole it from the priest. Oh, love and heart to Jesus, we can never go to confession again. Give it back, go back and tell him and confess your sins. So Paddy went down to the priest and he said, Father, I stole a duck. And the priest said, oh God, you must give it back, you must make restitution. He said, do you want it, Father? I don't want it, he said. That's all right, so is it? I suppose it was about 6 o'clock in the evening of an Easter day. We were all at confession. We were all along there and the thing. And there was a little brown, muscular man sitting in front of us. No, no, took much notice. We were just waiting to go in, for him to go in to hear what he had to say. You know, there's some very interesting sins like. And it was a great place to get the name of Gerald, don't forget. Oh, yes. But it came to his turn anyway, and he said, blessed be Father, for I have sinned. Oh, Jesus, Father, Lord, you don't come from Kerry at all, for God's sake. Where are you from? I'm from Genoa, he said, in Italy. And what are you doing here? I'm with Duffy Circus, he said. I'm an acrobat with Duffy Circus. Oh, God, says Father Morton, I haven't seen an acrobat, he said, since I left Rome 40 years ago. What's your specialty? Well, Father, he said, I do a 3-hand turn from a tin plate, and I land on one leg and the tin plate. So Father Morton got out of the confessional box and he said to one of the young fellas, go down and ask the housekeeper for a tin plate. And away down he went. Would you do a little turn? Oh, glad to, Father. And there was the tin plate thing we all watched. One leg. One leg. And with that, Minnie the Penitent comes in the door. She said, oh, love and heart to Jesus, is that the penance he's given tonight? Is that the penance he's given tonight, and me with no knickers on?
I must away now from the green groves. My time of talking is surely done. My bones are weary from life's long journey. My time of being is nearly gone. To hear again that piper playing in the moonlight soft and still. Now no more grieving, I must be leaving, and say goodbye to my caring.